So this is how to make a custom Steam profile. First of all, make sure to log in with your correct credentials. After opening Steam Launcher, go to top right corner, select Manage Account. After that, select View My Profile. You will be redirected to your profile section. After that, to click on Edit Profile. From here, you can manage your Steam profile. Select Avatar. Scroll down, you can choose all the avatars you own, and then select Profile Background. Again, scroll down and you can choose from what you own. The same is for the mini profile, and then the theme and the featured badge. Now to get all of these features, you need to select Steam Points Shop. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. As you can see here, this is your balance. You will get all these points from buying games. Otherwise, you won't be able to purchase any customized feature. Scroll down. You can explore all the features you like and customize your profile based on your preference. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.